Hi, my name's Tamara and I'm going to be making high vibrational food. And today we're going to be eating guacamole. This is 2 small avocados and I've just taken out the flesh of the avocado with a spoon. It's a very easy way to do it when it's even just mediumly ripe. Let's get the rest of the ingredients in here. So I've got half a tiny little lime here. That's going to be enough. That adds a nice zing to this dish. Put in as much as you can out of half a lime because it as I said, it does give that tangy taste. Then we're putting in paprika. I like a really tasty guacamole like I do with everything else. And this one is the chili with lime. It's kind of a powder that's made up here in Mexico. I'm not putting too much of that. I'm not going for heat. I'm going for depth of flavor, really. So we're just going to be putting in here. I'm going to just try to set this up now. I don't know whether I can, so I can get this in. Let's use our hands. That's the best way. I still haven't got a good stand for my camera. This is one quite large tomato. It's really lovely with chopped tomato, and this is how they do it here in Mexico. In the UK, we get this really sloppy green mixture in a tub, which is very runny, and it's nothing like what is made here in Mexico. This is one like medium-sized garlic clove chopped finely, and then I've got a little bit of coriander. Coriander's quite strong, so I love the flavor of it, but you really don't need a lot in a bowl this size. So let's get the juice of all that in. Okay, we did it without a stand again. This is really good. And what you're doing is just mixing this all together. And this is beautiful. There's quite a lot in here. Do a few people if you're doing it as a sort of dip. And you're going to use like crackers, or here we'd use tacos or tostadas, which are crisp maize kind of crackers, really. And you can put this in a lovely tortilla that you've made, heated up, warmed up, crisped up, and made into a taco. And you can just sandwich this in with lettuce and cucumber. It's absolutely delicious. And remember that for us vegans, we've got protein in here with the avocado. We've got all the real goodness of vitamin A and it's lupine, the other nutrient in tomatoes, I think. And garlic, of course, natural antibiotic. And we've got coriander, which gets rid of heavy metals in your system. And paprika in here for that extra depth of flavor, and a little bit of chili. So this is packed full of flavor. Have a go. It's a really good thing to keep in the fridge when you want a snack, or to have for a lovely lunch, or an hors d'oeuvre. Makes a wonderful hors d'oeuvre. Thank you for listening. Please subscribe. I'm trying to get all these wonderful recipes round to more people, and also all of my spiritual guidance that are on over 300 videos now on my channel for those who are going through this awakening, which is happening all over the world. Thank you again. Bye for now.